The volcano has experienced a 10-hour and 30-minute volcanic earthquake. The tremor occurred from October 12 to 13. PHIVOLCS said this event is unusual as previous tremors only lasted a few minutes. As of October 12, the agency recorded a sulfur dioxide emission rate of 1,256 tons per day, with a plume reaching 900 meters. Since September 22, Taal has seen over 40 eruptions. The volcano remains at alert level 1, which indicates low-level unrest.
Level 1 lang pero mahaba, 10 hours.
Yung tremor, ito yung longest daw so far.
10 hours, mahaba-haba yun.
Kaya yung lagi naman natin pinapaalala yung mga residents doon, di ba?
Yeah.
Stay alert. Yung sa area na hindi na pwedeng pagtambayan, ay wag na po nating pilitin na pagtambayan. At manatili po kayo nakaantabay. Of course, sa LGU, sa PHIVOLCS, dun sa kanilang mga abiso.
Always listen to authority. So, tsaka sana may mga pasaway na politiko, hindi maghakot pabalik doon in time for elections.
Oo.
Kasi di ba...
Yung sa danger zone nila na area.
Oo, dati kasi ang danger zone, wala ng tao yan. Tapos nung nagkaroon daw ng election, may nagsabi na isang captain, libreng palupa daw. Yung pala sa danger zone sila binigyan ng lupa.
Ay, nako,
Buti na lang yung LGU ngayon, medyong tinanggal sila na, tas kinordon off na talaga. Tsaka dead land na kasi daw yan pati yung water dahil sa sulfur dioxide na dead land na yan. Hindi nagka-thrive ang mga animals.